go! Woo!
Yes. Yes. Doing it.
Woo!
I'm going down the hill.
She made it! Woohoo!
Amy, I'm going.
Stop myself.
Okay, go, Lonnie. Get back up quick.
I'm stuck.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Crab walk time.
This is a new technique to get up on your skis. It's called the crab walk. It's called, Ani can do the splits too.
Okay, now where's my picks?
Your picks, they're behind you.
I need them.
Who
I'm not getting back down. Because I'm gonna have to do the crab walk again. 1, 2.
Bend your knees.
Beware, you can't stop yourself. You just keep going.
Okay, that's way too.
Go like this, honey, and get them all slick like you told me to.
did.
And then go jump off and just put your things up. Now put your things up. Your things.
Woo! Oh!
That's the butt shot.
All right. I'm gonna turn it off now.